fluffies! Have you ever wondered if you could find a place where all the possible rooms to make the most amazing pictures all in one place? I guess this is it, the Museum of Ice Cream in San Francisco. Let's go!
Repeat after me. I solemnly pinky swear.
I solemnly pinky swear
To eat all the ice cream I can see.
to eat all the ice cream I can see.
Oh, okay. I'll go with myself.
We had to pick an ice cream name, and so mine is going to be Mint Flow. I took the one that was less colory, like it looked more natural, and it's kind of good. This next room we're supposed to draw on ourselves something. So I will draw a ring here. Maybe it's the last place that I can get something dirty on my body. This is a ring. She said it's an inverted s'more with the marshmallow flavor, soft serve, and the chocolate in the cone. Hello. We're looking to write everybody can be Kawaii, but we're missing an O. There's one all up there. That's Flora friend one! Yay! Thank you! I studied Egyptology and computer science. That's pretty unique. Let's close it now. This is my beauty! They had different colors of beads, also red and yellow, but I wanted to pick one. We have strawberry and we have blue raspberry. This is strawberry flavored frozen lemonade sprinkle. It's interesting. They have more here and they have letters. Let's try to do a kawaii one. So we have a K and a W and we're missing 2 A's and 2 I's, and I don't think we can do it. This month we could not find any. This is some kind of tart, ice cream tart, very good. Oh my god, this room is mint and big! bananas? So this was ruining all my pictures, so I put it on my backpack instead of on my dress. Yay! Is it good?
Yes.
Ice cream sandwich. It's actually good. Coming out of the foam pit in Action Lolita. So this will be an amazing episode of Action Lolita actually. Okay, for the second last batch I had to dance, show my best dance move. I don't know if it was my best dance move, I don't know. But for the last one we have to write a letter home to tell how much fun we had at camp, because the theme is camp, summer camp, and then yep, this is gonna be the last batch. Yay, I got the last one, yay! And then of course you end all experiences with the shop. They have tons of very cute things, let's see. In case you're still hungry, which how is it even possible after all the ice cream they fed you, you can still buy more ice cream. They have a bar and ice cream cafe, whatever. This is crazy. And actually, so I was really impressed because the quality of the ice cream was not as low as people told me and I read about it. So it was actually very good ice cream. Not like top-notch Italian ice cream, but like very okay ice cream and very enjoyable. And I really enjoy all the rooms. It was not that crowded. We could take pictures without having to wait for ages. The sprinkler pool was a little bit more crowded and it is super loud. I guess you heard it. A lot of people yelling and a lot of noise and loud music. So for videos it's not the best. But for pictures, for Instagram, I think you can get a lot of very good Instagram shots. The light is not very good everywhere, so it's supposed to be made expressly to make pictures. And in a lot of places, it made weird shadows on your face, and so I think they should work more on the light to make beautiful pictures. They have kind of cool setups, so you can take pictures, but then if the light is not good, you don't get as many good pictures. So I guess you'll have to work a lot in post-production to make your pictures look good. But I had so much fun. I'm totally full right now, and I highly recommend that if you have Instagram or YouTube or whatever, you go visit one of them. They have one in San Francisco and another one somewhere else, I can't remember. So if you like this video, I'm on a 32-day trip here in France and California to do crazy adventures. So you can look at my playlist to not miss any of my fantastic adventures. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!